A customer with whom bank had entered into 3 months forward purchase contract for Swiss franc 10,000 at the rate of 27.25 comes to the bank after 2 months and the request for the cancellation of the contract. On this date, the rates prevailing are: spot exchange rate is given 27.30 slash 27.35 Swiss franc per rupee, and 1 month forward exchange rate is given 27.45 slash 27.52 rupees per Swiss franc. I think that's I spoken wrongly. It is rupees per Swiss franc. What is the loss or gain to the customer on cancellation? That is the question. I request all of you to calculate answer of the question on your own and post your answer in the chat box. Let us have understanding that's how to do answer. Now first of all, we will have a focus on understanding of the question. I am taking certain dates to give you better explanation. Of course, the dates are not required for the purpose of doing answer. Let us assume that today's date is 1st of March. Okay, let us assume that today's date is 1st of March. The question says that a customer with whom bank had entered into 3 months forward purchase contract for Swiss franc. Okay, so information is provided to us that the transaction of the bank is purchase of Swiss franc. Of course, against that the rupees is given. So purchase of Swiss franc and sell of rupees. What must be the transaction of customer? The transaction of the customer must be sell of Swiss franc and purchase of rupees. That is what we understand. Okay. At the rate of 27.25 comes to the bank after 2 months. Okay. So this forward contract was entered upon before 2 months. So can we say on 1st of January? Yes. I am reading the question again from beginning. A customer with whom bank had entered into 3 months forward contract. Okay. So the contract was entered upon for a time period of 3 months. So on 1st of January, the contract must have been entered upon for 31st of March. What must be the forward contract? The forward contract must be like this. We understand that basically the cancellation is done by the customer. So we are not concerned that what kind of transaction in which the bank has entered upon. We are concerned that what must be the transaction in which the customer must have entered upon. So customer must have entered upon initially for the transaction of sell of Swiss franc and purchase of rupees, and the rate is 27.25, is coming to the bank after 2 months, that is on 1st of March, and the customer wants to cancel the original forward contract. How to do cancellation? Very simple. You have to enter into 1 month forward contract for sell of rupees and purchase of Swiss franc. That is the revised or reverse of the original forward contract required to be entered upon. Okay. The question is providing the information like this. The spot exchange rate means exchange rate on 1st of March is given to us, which is of no use to us. 1 month forward exchange rate 27.45, 27.52. 27.45 slash 27.52. Okay. So now sell of rupees. So higher amount of the rupees is required to be sold. As what we understand logically, at the rate of 27.52, you will purchase Swiss franc it will be sold at 27.25. So there is a loss of 27 paise per Swiss franc. Multiplying with 10,000. So there is a loss of 2,700. This is the way we understand. Please write an answer. As per the information given, comma, in original forward contract, comma, transaction was purchased Swiss franc and sell rupees by bank. Full stop. It means customer must have entered into forward contract for sell rupees and purchase Swiss franc. With paragraph write down. Above contract was entered upon before 2 months for 3 months. Full stop. So now to cancel it, we have to enter into a revised forward contract for 1 month for sale of Swiss franc and purchase of rupees. Friends, there is a mistake from my end. It means the customer must have entered into the forward contract for sell of Swiss franc and purchase of rupees. And over here, sell of rupees and purchase of Swiss franc. With paragraph written down. Spot exchange rate information is irrelevant, comma, forward exchange rate information is relevant. Full stop. forward exchange rate 27.45 slash 27.52 rupees per Swiss franc. So the forward contract is sell of rupees and purchase of Swiss franc. So this is the forward contract in which this is the rate which will be applicable. Calculation of the profit or loss on cancellation. In bracket I am writing after 1 month. Original and new. Original forward contract is sale of Swiss franc and purchase of rupees. Purchase means received. So in original you are going to receive 27.25. The new is sale of rupees and purchase of Swiss franc. Sale means payment, that is 27.5. For every 1 Swiss franc, so this is what we understand is the profit or loss that we have, that is loss of 27 paise. Into 10,000. So overall loss is 2,700. This is the way we'll have the overall profit or loss on the cancellation of the forward contract. So friends, over here, the reading of the question is very important, because over here we understand that initially the transaction is provided to us from the bank point of view. What bank has done. From that, we have to understand that what customer must have done, and whatever the transaction in which the customer has entered upon, reverse of that will be entered upon today for 1 month for the purpose of cancellation of the forward contract. And with that, the profit or loss will be found. Again, the spot exchange rate information is irrelevant. Whatever this profit or loss that is going to be received or paid after 1 month, so we do not have to consider the concept of time value of money over there.